I'm Bobby with Net Gain Real Estate. A popular question we get is, can you be your own general contractor on your home renovation? It's a common question. The simple answer is generally yes. Now, emphasis is on generally. On a state level, the states allow it. At your county or city level, you have to verify within your building, zoning, and permits office. We've not seen anywhere where it isn't possible for a homeowner to be a general contractor on their own property and project in the areas and states that we've worked in. Emphasis, this is on their own personal properties, residences, and things like that. If you're doing this work for somebody else, that's a different story. If you're going to be the general contractor on another family member's project or a friend or somebody down the street, different issue. But double checking this, no matter what, is always your first bet. What we like to point out and share with our clients is the following. How does slashing a staggering 30% off your home renovation budget sound? What if I told you it's possible by taking on the role of the general contractor? Let's dive in and explore what you have to do and what it takes to take on the contractor's hat and save big bucks on your next home renovation project. I'm Bobby, and for over 3 decades, I've been on an incredible journey renovating, rehabbing, and even building homes from the ground up. My passion, empowering clients like you and others to dive into their own home projects with confidence and excitement. It's a fun thing to be doing. Today, we're tackling the big question, can you be your own general contractor? And being your own general contractor isn't just a title. It's about embracing the power to lead, make decisions, and ultimately save a significant chunk of change on your renovation projects. In this video, you'll learn the ins and outs of what it truly means to be your own contractor. From understanding the role fully to weighing the pros and cons, mastering essential skills, and navigating the often complex world of permits and regulations. Plus, I'll share how to assemble your dream team of subcontractors and reveal a few of our top cost-saving strategies that won't compromise quality, but give you the 5-star look you're looking for. We dive into this in even greater detail with our clients that end up saving themselves $10,000 to $40,000, sometimes even more, on each of their projects. So grab your hard hat and let's dig into this together. First, number one, let's break down what a general contractor does. In a traditional sense, a general contractor is the maestro of the construction projects, big or small. They're responsible for managing the timelines, hiring and overseeing contractors, subcontractors, sourcing materials, regulations. With the right knowledge and attitude, it's entirely possible for you to do this, and it's incredibly rewarding. What's the most compelling reason to do this? Savings. By eliminating the middleman, you could save anywhere from 20 to 30% on your project costs. What could you do with those savings if they were back in your pocket? Plus, you have complete control over every aspect of your project from design to execution. You get to call the shots and make it truly yours. Now, reality. Being your own GC does not come without some challenges. It's a learning curve, such as building codes, regulations. If you're rehabbing, some structural issues can come to light that you need to deal with. Managing multiple subcontractors and making sure that you avoid costly mistakes. It's a balancing act between the savings and the amount of time and effort you're willing to invest. That's what and how we help our clients. We're there for them every step of the way, making it simpler and easier. I mean, we're there from the beginning to the very end when they are in there and enjoying their home. But with proper preparation and the right mindset, these hurdles can easily be overcome. To successfully be your own general contractor, there are several key skills you need to hone. The first one we're going to cover, project management. Keeping your project schedule and within budget is crucial. You'll need to develop a keen eye for detail and the ability to stay organized even when things get hectic. This one is actually one of my harder ones to do, but I've got skills and tips and tricks now that make it easy to get this under control. Have you managed a household, family, or a job? Then you basically have what it takes for doing project management. Communication. Effective communication with your team, suppliers, and local authorities is paramount. Job can get stopped pretty quickly if you have issues with your local authorities. You'll be the one setting expectations, providing instructions, and resolving any conflicts that may arise. Do you have siblings, family, or kids? And it's no sweat with this one. You can do this too. Problem solving. Let's face it, hiccups are inevitable in any renovation project. As the lead, you'll need to be ready to think on your feet and find creative solutions to keep things moving forward. We're pretty confident you've got this one covered as well. And if not, we can help. Technical knowledge. Well, you don't need to be a master carpenter or electrician. A basic understanding of construction methods and materials will go a long way in helping you make informed decisions. Education is key here. And our goal with our clients is to make sure that they have all the knowledge and assistance that they need to navigate the process successfully. No one walks into their first construction build, renovation, or rehab knowing everything they need to know to do this. Nobody does. I mean, I remember my first one. It was like things just kept coming at me and what was this? How was this? Who was this? And that's what we like to do is we like to help you gain the skills so that you can do this and do it the first time, do it well, successfully, save a lot of money, have a good time, and not get overloaded with the details that are there because you've got somebody who's watching over them for you and is supporting you along the way, making sure that you stay on track. And don't be afraid to ask questions. That's how we all learn and grow. A crucial part of being your own GC is assembling a reliable team of subcontractors and plumbers, electricians, carpenters, coaches, and consultants like us who share your vision and work ethic. Managing your team effectively involves clear communication about your expectations, your timeline, and your budget. Regular check-ins can help keep your project on track while building strong relationships with your team members. Remember, a little appreciation goes a long way in fostering a positive and productive work environment. I like to bring donuts or homemade cookies at times, even buying lunch when things are crazy. Your contractors appreciate that, and they remember that. It's the little things that make it a smoother process. Stepping into the role of a general contractor is an adventure filled with potential savings, empowerment, and the immense satisfaction of seeing your vision, not somebody else's, come to life. Imagine the pride of looking around your beautifully renovated space, knowing that you were the driving force behind it all. That's the true beauty of being your own GC. So what are you waiting for? Your dream home isn't just a concept. It's a project waiting for you to take the lead. Subscribe to my channel for more insights, tips, and tricks that will help you navigate your renovation journey with confidence and style. Hey, and reach out to us at Net Gain Real Estate. Links will be below for more details on how we can save you 20 to 30% on your next project. Let's get building.